What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a crazy super ambient beat like this. Shit, Cash Carti shit. I can super fire, bro. I can definitely hear like Playboi Carti on this, maybe even Destroy Lonely or Juice WRLD as well, RIP Juice WRLD. But let's just dive right into it. Let's get it. I've been kind of green. Alright, let's first add some drums to it to create some bounce. Got a couple of sounds loaded up already, but this sound is super fire. Like the chords are just magical, mystical. I love it. I love it. Now right here, roll. Then I got this FX on. Let's add some portal to this. I want to make it sound unique. Let's render that out and shift it on tempo. Yeah, I've been kind of green and it's not enough. Yeah, I've been sending bags and it's not enough. Yeah, I've been getting racks and it's not enough. Yeah, she just told a man and not enough. Shit, cash, Carti, shit. I'm kind of right here, let's add the Z 808 just to create like some bounce. We're just going to copy over the same 808 pattern. Let's pitch the beat down. Shit, cash, Carti, shit. I get I make a feeling, I feel it. I think like I like the beat pitched down more, like the tone of it and stuff, but I think for like a rapper it's better pitched up. But this beat is fire. I'm gonna play it in a second in the background for you while I'm talking. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at gunna beats. Yes sir. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.